ayokong dumating sa point na 60 years old pa ang aking asawa, nagtatrabaho pa.
Kung naiipit ka ngayon sa isang sitwasyon, tanda mo, kay Lord ka pumunta kasi mayroon siyang move para sa'yo.
Kailangan mag-abroad para kumita. GPAX pa lang, panalo ka na.
Inspiration!
Lahat ng ginagawa mo, malaki man ito o maliit, success yun.
Empowerment!
Are you ready? Hey now, hey now.
Good to be back to Metro Dance again and once again to celebrate more success story of our GFOX members. Today we arranged 4 different group of success story, trying to inspire everybody here. Hopefully their story will inspire you to another success.
Isang araw po ito ng puno ng inspirasyon, motivation at tagumpay ng bawat isa. So believers, let's do this!
Do it! This is our world. This is our life. This is our movement. This is our time. This is our time. And the nation. This is our time. And the nation. Come build.
Sobrang ganda nung tema natin, no? As in, ako ramdam na ramdam ko mismo yung event natin. Maging excited ka ngayon, no? Dahil itong mapapanood mo na event ay marami kang matututunan at napakarami din natin mga mai-inspire ng mga tao.
We were taking the throne. Where my people at? I'm right here.
I'm so excited for today's event dahil ngayong araw na to, I'll be showing case myself. So ngayon po, I'm gonna inspire you with my journey with GFOX International.
This is our time. We are young, we are bold, we are strong. And a nation powerful, beautiful, we are one. This is our time. We are young, we are bold, we are strong. And a nation powerful, beautiful, we are one.
So na iniintay natin na big event ng GFOX International. And ang maganda po dito, isa ako sa mga napili na speaker dito sa ating sales rally. And yun guys, no, isa po ako sa living testimony ng GFOX International na nabago talaga yung buhay namin from 0 to 0.
We are young, we are bold, we are strong. And a nation powerful, beautiful, we are one. This is our time. We are young, we are bold, we are strong.
Together, we can make dreams happen!
We are one. And a nation.
Nagiging tama lang naman yung isang desisyon pag sinubukan natin.
Huwag mong tingnan ang sitwasyon mo now. Ang dapat tingnan kung paano future mo at paano mo ipaglalaban.
the turning point of your life.
Si Lord ang magsasalba sa'yo. Siya ang King. Mayroon pa siyang isa pang move. At dun sa move na yon, panalo ka.
hold hand in hand. Let's go through the changes together. Let's be bigger, stronger, and let's make GFox 2025 the biggest and the better years for all of us. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless GFox International. Thank you.